So last weekend, my buddy Greg invited me over to check out his brand new DIY home security system. Now, Greg is the kind of guy who thinks duct tape is a personality trait, so I was expecting maybe some tripwires or motion sensors made from old smartphones. But as soon as I walked in, I noticed a suspiciously large Amazon box labeled 23 rubber chickens, novelty gag. Mildly intrigued, and also a little concerned, I asked him what was up with the poultry. Greg, beaming with pride, led me to his living room, where he'd hung rubber chickens on strings from every doorknob, window latch, and even the ceiling fan. "It's genius," he explained. "Anyone trying to break in will get a face full of squawking rubber." I wanted to ask what the chickens were supposed to do after the burglar stopped laughing, but I figured let the man have his moment. He even demonstrated his chicken alarm by opening a window. Sure enough, 3 chickens swung wildly and let out a squeal that sounded like a kazoo having an existential crisis. Fast forward to Monday. Greg calls me, sounding weirdly cheerful for someone whose home security system involves poultry. Turns out, someone had actually tried to break in the night before. Only, instead of stealing anything, the would-be burglar apparently spent 10 minutes playing hacky sack with the rubber chickens and left a handwritten note on Greg's kitchen table. "Thanks for the free entertainment. Would recommend." 5 stars. Greg wanted to know if he should call the cops or update his Yelp listing. I told him not to worry, after all, it's the only break-in where the only thing stolen was the burglar's dignity. And that's when I realized, Greg's house is so safe, even the thieves leave reviews on the way out.